Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use these dimension commands. So let's start with the tutorial. Dimension commands you can take from either from this annotation panel. Click on this drop down. Here there is an icon of dimension. Click on this drop down. You will find this linear, align, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinates, then jog or else. These are the shortcut keys for all these dimension types. We'll see how to use this. Now first is linear dimension. Linear dimensions are used to take dimension of a straight lines. Suppose I have a rectangle here. Now if I want to measure this length of this rectangle, then I'll take this linear command. This linear dimension command will give DLI, enter. Now click on this point, then click on this point and take it outside. Here you will get the dimension of this length. Again I can click on this point, this, and I'll get dimension of this length. Then next is align dimension. Now if I'm having any line that is sloping or inclined, suppose I am having a triangle here, then I'll take, if I want to measure this length of the triangle, this sloping length, then I'll take this align dimension. Shortcut key is DAL, say enter. Now click on this point, click on this point and drag it outside. You will get this align dimension of this sloping length. Now next is angular. If you want to check the angle between these two lines, then you will take this angular dimension. Shortcut key is DAN, say enter. Now click on this line, click on this line and you will get this angle. The angle between these two lines is 91 degree. Again, if I want to check the angle of these two lines, I'll take this DAN, enter. Now click on this line, click on this line and you will get this angle. Now next is radius. I'll take a circle here. Now if I want to check the radius of this circle, then I'll take this radius command, dimension of radius command. Shortcut key is DRA, enter. Now click on this circle and you'll get this radius of this circle. Similarly, if you want to check diameter, then give diameter dimension command, DDI, enter. Click on this circle and click outside. You will get the dimension of this circle. Next is arc length. For arc length, I'll take an arc here. Now if I want to check this length of this arc, length from this point to this point, then here I'll take this arc length command. For that, shortcut key is TAR and say enter. Now click on this arc and drag it outside. You will get the length of this arc from this point to this point. You can check the radius of this arc also. For that you will take this radius, TRA, enter. Click on this arc and it will show you the radius of this arc. Now next is jogged. Shortcut key for jog dimension is DJO. You'll give shortcut key DJO, enter. Click on this circle, click outside and you will get this jog dimension. So hope you all have understood how to use this dimension command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.